Welcome to our exclusive learning series on the dunning process using NetSuite with SuiteMatrix IT Solutions. In today's video, we will take you through the ins and outs of optimizing your collections and receivables management using NetSuite's powerful tools. Dunning is a crucial aspect of maintaining a healthy cash flow for your business. With NetSuite, you can automate this process and ensure that no outstanding invoices slip through the cracks. From setting up custom email reminders to tracking payment statuses, NetSuite has everything you need to streamline your collections process. Our series will cover everything from basic setup to advanced strategies for maximizing your dunning efforts. Whether you're a seasoned finance professional or just starting out, this learning series has something for everyone. Join us as we explore the key features of NetSuite's dunning module and learn how you can leverage them to improve your financial operations. Get ready to take your collections management to the next level with NetSuite. In this video, we provide a step-by-step guide on creating a customized customer dunning email. In the navigation menu, go to Setup. Select Dunning. Click on Dunning Level Rules. Click on New. This action takes you to the Dunning Level Rule page. Fill in the mandatory fields. Name. Enter a name for the Dunning Level Rule. Days overdue. Enter the number of days past the due date of an invoice or payment. Select the currency as US dollar. Click on the default checkbox. Hit Add and save the field. This completes the creation of a new Dunning Level Rule. Now, navigate to Dunning Procedures. Go to Setup. Select Dunning. Click on Dunning Procedures. Click on New. This action takes you to the Dunning Procedure page. Fill in the mandatory fields. Name. Enter the name as overdue 30 days, as created in Dunning Level Rules. Applies to. Click on Customer. Set the sending schedule as Automate. Select the subsidiary. Clicking on Assign Automatically to New Record ensures that all new transactions are automatically included in the dunning process. Under the Levels sub-tab, determine dunning level by as minimum transaction and total overdue balance. The minimum transaction amount entered in the dunning level rule should match the invoice, and the total overdue balance should satisfy both conditions. Select the dunning level rule as overdue 30 days. Select the template as Level 1 default template. Click on Save after selecting the mandatory fields. It takes us to the dunning bulk assignment. Select the customer that we need to send an email to. Click on the Assign to Customers. Now, under the Customer page of ABC Company, under the Dunning sub-tab, it is assigned as the Allow Letters to be emailed. Under Procedure Setup, it is set as overdue 30 days as we created on Dunning Level Rule. Navigate to Customization Workflow. New to create a new workflow. Dunning workflows refer to automated processes that manage and send reminders or notices to customers regarding overdue invoices. Click on Customer Dunning Workflow Scheduler. Click on More. To perform the testing, make a copy of this workflow. Click on Evaluate Customer Dunning field. Click on the workflow and edit icon, then change the release status to Testing and save the changes. Click on the workflow again and choose Execute Now. Check the Customer page for ABC Co. Under the Dunning sub-tab, verify that it updated to Dunning Level 1. Check the Last Email Sent field for the date and time of the email sent. Under the Communication Message tab, click on View to see the content of the email that was sent. Through this dunning process, schedule the email to be sent every 30 days once. Through this process, you have successfully set up and customized the customer dunning workflow. Don't miss out on this valuable opportunity to enhance your financial strategies with NetSuite's dunning capabilities. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we will delve even deeper into the world of collections and receivables management. Subscribe now and unlock the power of dunning with SuiteMatrix IT Solutions.